guys, concept, period.
Period.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle, if you do not already know. I don't know why my wig is sitting like this, like the fuck. This vlog is going to be a weekend in my life. A lot of things are going to be happening this week, and I just said, you know what, I better pick up my camera and vlog, because why not? So basically right now I am trying to get this studio situated. I just remembered, like, the last time you guys heard from me, I never had a studio. So yes, there's a lot that has changed with me. I have a studio now. I'm a makeup artist and I also use this as my filming studio. I literally transformed everywhere. I took out my bed. I didn't vlog it. I didn't vlog that process. So tedious. That's because I filmed yesterday. Yes, I filmed yesterday. So you guys just know that there's a lot of content coming on my YouTube channel. Like, I decided that I just wanted to take this time off and focus on school, you know, as that is very important to me also, and it's also important to me, which is why I am back. Okay, so I had a lot of videos this past few weeks, and my studio is crying for help. So I decided to, you know, clean it today and just make everywhere, you know, tidy. My boys' concert is tomorrow. I am super excited about that. So we're going to be doing right now, and whatever, you know, if any other thing comes up, you guys will obviously be in the know of that. But yeah, before we get right into this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you... It's so long, I can't remember the drill, but let's just get right into the video. You guys, my friends just came. This is Winnie friend. This is Diamond. See Debbie. Vlog like the whole process of my look, but like this is what I look like right now. PLT outfit check. My friends are at the back, they're actually rushing. Look how crazy they look. Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
DJ Wicked Z.
go bow for the result, though. Nothing to
Real
discuss.
boys concept, period.
Period.
I'm a me happy I don't do. I need go feed the girl. I no go feed the girl is out though. I'm a mind that's with the talk though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love oh.
Where did the lights go? Where did the lights go? They just disappear one by one. Let's go! The fun! One more time! J,